Hey everybody, it's Tim Fair here at Echo Valley Motor Products in Qu'appelle. Today we got a special unit here to show you, this 2015 GMC Acadia. Beautiful shape and ready to roll. This is the SLT version, meaning it has quite a few bells and whistles on it, like power hatch, heated seats, leather interior, power sunroof. Actually, it's got two roofs, or glass roof, that is, sunroof type things. Here's the inside. As I said, full leather interior. It's got heated seats in the front, climate control in the back for the kiddos so they can play around with that. Make sure that they're cold or hot. Fairly loaded up. It's got lane assist, it's got forward collision warning, it's got heated seats like I said, remote start, power hatch. 200,000 K on it. We have it listed for 14.6, and you can get yourself a beautiful family vehicle. I like it. I hope you do too.